Google brings Android 16 beta update with new material design. How to install, which phones supported Android 16 material expressive design is now rolling out with the new beta update for select devices. Android 16 was part of the Android show earlier this month, where we got a closer look at the new expressive UI, which is the evolved version of the material design language. The new update is available if you have been part of the Android 16 beta program from day one, and the design upgrades are finally coming to the eligible devices through official channels. Android 16 beta update with material expressive design. How to install and which phones supported the Android 16 beta update comes with the QPR1 label and is available for download using the usual steps of installing the new Android update on the device. And now you have the new Android 16 material expressive UI available for the Android phone. Mind you, the new Android 16 version is still in beta and you need these phones to try it out. And we got to try out the Android 16 QPR Beta 1 update on the Pixel 9 Pro with the new material UI upgrades. Android 16 material expressive UI. What to expect? Google says the interface will be more fluid with smooth animations across the UI and notification cards. Android is also getting live activities like features called real-time updates to keep you posted on the status of your cab or the food delivery service, all on the lock screen. Swipe left for next video. You can immediately notice the changes in the font style, the curvy nature of the icons, and the settings menu looking refreshed with new color tones for different sections. You also get a new way to change the wallpaper and style the home lock screen for the Android device. The new Android 16 update is also giving you the option to change the way notifications come to the lock screen. There is a lot more to explore with the new version, and Google will be hoping that the QPR betas are in top shape so that it can meet the allotted June deadline to release the public Android 16 update this year. Going by the pace of these updates, it seems the company will be ready to have the new Android version shipped with the latest Pixel series this year. Latest blogs.